I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 6260 Ohana, California, and today we went to EPCOT.
Yeah, we forgot to shoot an intro, so we're kind of doing it a little differently.
So we started out our day actually kind of late. We slept in.
Yeah, well, you slept in and you made Lightning Lane reservation for where?
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, it happens. She really thought we were going to Magic Kingdom today, and yeah, she goes, and you even made one, you even got Space Mountain.
I did.
And yeah, no. Oopsies.
We'll try again tomorrow. So anyways, we just switched it over and went over to EPCOT. I was able to get Frozen right away, so I grabbed that. And
yeah, so really walking at EPCOT, this was a strange day, and we'll explain why. But we walked into EPCOT and we were like, okay, let's look at the board and see what things are at. And Ratatouille was at 70 minutes.
so we're like, okay, 70 minutes, a little over an hour, we'll go wait.
Yeah, so we went in line, and actually it was really cool to go through because last time we did it through Lightning Lane, and it only took us 45 minutes.
It was really cool.
Yeah, and really the wait time dropped immediately after we got in line to 50 minutes.
Yeah, the cast members said they were shocked. They hadn't really seen times like that.
Yeah, it was crazy. And it was that way for most of the morning, believe it or not. It was actually, the wait times was lower for that than it was for Soarin' or Test Track or
weird.
Or Frozen.
Maybe people just kind of like got used to being so busy that they didn't even give it a try.
Yeah, and it was following the normal flow of EPCOT. If you've been to EPCOT before, usually everybody starts at the front of the park and works their way back.
Except for us staying at the international gateway entrance.
So, I don't know. But yeah, so we ended up doing Ratatouille. And we had a great time. It was great to watch it. I actually got to watch it this time. So, yeah, I enjoyed it. And we can actually smell the bread and different things.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah.
And so I think a 70-minute wait isn't too bad considering 90 minutes we get up there. I mean, we're 45 minutes, so we didn't even make the 70.
Yeah, and this is kind of a theme that we saw today, too. Okay, so after Remy's Ratatouille, we went...
So we went over to Test Track to wait just because I saw the wait times were kind of low. And we were able to get on it in 45 minutes.
Yeah, and I think it was listing around 50 minutes.
Something around there.
Yeah, it wasn't. So we got 5 minutes. Well, it was quick.
And then it was time for me to pick another ride. So I got another Lightning Lane for Spaceship Earth. And it was an easy walk over from there.
Yeah, that's nice and easy. And it was... we love Spaceship Earth. I know they want to do a refurbishment on it at some point. And that kind of almost kills you if you think about it a little bit. Because
I think we're really nostalgic about that ride. So it would be... I mean, Disney's done a good job on some of the overlays they've done.
Yeah.
And refurbs.
Yeah, they've done a good job. Like Peter Pan was a prime example when they redid some of the stuff and elements into that.
At Disneyland, yeah. They did an awesome job. But, you know, we still love just the way it is.
Yeah. You know, at some point we know it's going to happen.
And then we went over and rode Figment, and that was... I got another Lightning Lane, which wasn't even necessary.
Yeah.
Just kind of walked on.
I think at that point we were just trying to use the Lightning Lane to use it because, like we said, the times are really odd.
They were.
And, you know, really for a Sunday travel day, everything else.
I think it's kind of weird just because of Flower and Garden. People are still... It's opening weekend, so people are enjoying the festival as well. So I think that takes a little pressure off the rides.
Yeah, it might. And but using a Figment... We actually wasted more time using it than going through the regular line would have been because we had to scan.
And then after that, we had lunch at Le Chef de France.
Yeah, and we both really enjoy it. We'll link our review down below. It really hasn't changed a whole lot.
No.
But it is a consistently good food.
Yeah, it's one of our traditions. When we go to EPCOT, we love to eat there.
Yeah, you have to have your snails.
Escargot. Yep.
There's
love
snails.
it. You gotta take the little baguette crusty bread and kind of dip it in and yum.
Yeah, but other than that, our steaks were excellent. And then you also have the desserts, which are always really good.
And then after that, we had our Lightning Lane for Frozen Ever After. So we walked over.
Yeah, and kind of just walked through all right, taking our time. And it was actually down. We got to about China. And you're like, uh-oh. I'm like, what? There's no time, and it says something about our experience.
So anyways, we did take a little tour back to Germany and had a grapefruit beer and just kind of sat back, relaxed, enjoyed, and just split the beer.
I thought you said you don't drink around the world.
I don't, just one. And I split it with you.
Then we decided, well, we'll walk over there. If all else fails, we'll go over to Three Caballeros and ride Three Caballeros and see what happens.
Yeah.
Well, we walked over, and right when we got just past China, we're like, well, it's really weird not seeing the lines all wrapped around. We noticed that people were running to the entrance.
So we walked over, we used our lightning lane, it was on it really quick.
Yeah, we were on, I would say almost like 2 minutes.
Maybe a minute or two more than that. I don't know.
It was really quick, yeah. And the wait time went up to 65 minutes to set inside. I really don't think that wait time was 65 minutes, though.
I don't know.
But, yeah, we got right on and,
Then we went over to Three Caballeros and rode that because Brad loves Donald Duck.
One of my favorite ones. I love Donald. It's just fun, I tried to see if I can give Kim a kiss on the ride, and she wasn't having it.
Oh, you didn't. That's not true. Oh.
But it's a fun ride. I enjoyed it. I know it's kind of cheesy and corny, but
yeah,
it's fun.
It's cute. After that, we walked over to Germany and went to Carmel Cooch and got a few goodies.
A couple goodies.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were teasing us with that popcorn going up and down and scooping.
The Werther's.
It's that, if you ever, you can go in there and you know that smell if you've ever been in there.
Oh yeah, I distinctly sometimes wish at home we had Carmel Cooch and want like the s'mores cookies or the popcorn or whatnot, but yeah, all of a sudden I'll be like, oh, that smell.
So anyway, yeah, we kind of did that, and we, I know we said this yesterday we did this, but today we're like, our feet are still killing us. And really, we're kind of wanting to slow down a little bit.
So, and we're also staying here at Yacht Club, which we haven't done before. We've stayed at Beach Club in winter, so we really want to take advantage of using Stormalong Bay at this trip. So we wanted to get some lazy river time.
Yeah, so we just, we're obviously didn't take a camera with us. We did that, a couple of laps around that, went into the hot tub and soaked our feet and legs. And
actually, I feel really good after that. That kind of helped with the sore muscles because we've been walking anywhere from like 10 to 13 miles a day.
Yeah.
So if you can imagine, that's a lot.
And we figured these past couple of days are kind of our more quiet days, so.
Because we're going to ramp back up tomorrow.
So we did that, and then went and just had a couple of scoops of ice cream, and now you can tell that, well, we got all dressed up and cleaned up. It's because we're going to dinner, and we're not going to be till late dinner tonight, so we wanted to do this before we went to theirs. So where we're going is
Yachtman's Steakhouse, and we'll do a review coming out on that.
And we'll link, of course, that down below. Excited, we love Yachtman's. We've been there before, so I'm kind of interested in seeing it. It's been what?
It's been a few years. Yeah, it's been several years, so it'll be interesting to go back and see how that is. Maybe have maybe some nightcap and just kind of take it easy, go to sleep early, wake up refreshed and ready to hit Magic Kingdom tomorrow.
Yeah. So kind of a quiet day today.
Sometimes you just need to throw these kind of days in that are unplanned and just kind of go with the flow. And sometimes those are the moments that sometimes I think we remember the most. We're like, oh yeah, we had this really nice time on the lazy river. Other trips we've gone, we discovered the Jock Lindsay Hangar Bar, and now whenever we go to Disney Springs, we like to go there. So when we found moments like this, they kind of balance out the vacation.
Yep, they do. So with that, I think it's time for us to say please like,
subscribe,
and follow along with our Ohana, and it's time for us to say goodbye and
find your magic. Bye everyone.